Hi, I'm Hal. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set media for a 3D object. Setting media is similar to setting texture. We first need to create a basic 3D object in the OpenSimulator. Let's do it. Build option, and create a box here. And next, we're going to the editing mode. In the editing mode, we are going to change the width, length, and the thickness of this object. Let's make it a little larger. And then let's scale it in some certain directions and move it a little up. And let's make it a little longer. Okay, just to make this box a little like a LCD television. And next, we're going to change the color of this box. Currently, this box is in its default texture, which is maple texture. We're going to change the color by using the texture panel. The texture panel is opened here, and you will see we have a color icon on the left side. Then, if you make sure you're selecting the move here at this place, and then let's click the color icon here. And in the new color picker window, let's select black color and click OK. Now you can see that this box has been changed into black on all its surfaces. All the 6 faces have been changed into black color. However, we need to make sure that one face of this object is in white color. To do that, we have to go to the editing mode window and select this option, select face, and make sure one face is selected. Let's do it. Click one face. Okay. And then we go to color picker window again and change this face into white color. Click OK. After doing that, please make sure that we have a small option called Full Bright. Please make sure this Full Bright is checked on. Okay, don't worry about the maple texture. This is the default texture. Yeah. And next, you will see that under the color and full bright options, we have a drop-down menu. Inside this menu, we have 2 options. One is called materials. The other one is called media. Make sure the media is selected. And next, we have a choose option. Let's click the choose option. A new media setting window is popped up. Under home page, we're going to type a web page address or a website address. Let's try the SISLT website, silt.missouri.edu. After doing this, let's make sure that there is a checkbox called Auto Scale Media on Face of Object. Let's make sure this one is checked off. And then let's click Apply, and then click OK. As you can see, the media board has been created. One face of this 3D object has been changed into a web page. You can use this media board as a web browser on your computer. Let's close the edit window. So here, if you move your mouse onto the screen, onto the media board, you will see a toolbar on the top of this object. Here you can change the web address of this media board. You can go to the home page, you can refresh or reload the page. You can turn on, turn off, or adjust the volume of the media board. You can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and if you click this button, you're going to open the URL or you're going to open the website, web page in your computer browser. So if you want to try, we can try. We can scroll up and down. We can click those buttons or links on the web page, just like what you do on your computer browser. Yep, we have it here. So this media board makes the 3D object looks like a LCD computer or looks like a computer monitor. And then we can move this media board onto the wall. Let's right click the object and click edit. And let's move it onto the wall. Move it to the inside wall. And let's make it a little higher. Okay, that's it. So now we have a media board in our OpenSimulator. Let's close the editing window and control our avatar. Let's go to the media board. Yeah. Okay. That's it. If you want to visit other websites, yeah, you can do that. For example, let's go to YouTube. Yeah, here. You can play videos if you want. And you can also go to your Canvas system, Missouri.infrastructure. Yeah, I think it should be the infrastructure. Yeah. Oh, oops. Oh, sorry. Mizzou Canvas. Sorry. Let's go to Google. And search Mizzou Canvas. You'll see it here. Go to Canvas. Yeah, so here, if you type your username and your password, you can log in into the Canvas system. Okay, have fun and enjoy. Hope you enjoy this video and you can explore more in OpenSimulator.